How to create a Google account. In the search bar, type in Google Create Account and hit Enter. Click on the first result that leads to the Google Help page for account creation. Once you're on the support page, click the Create Account button. You'll be asked to choose how you'll use this account. Pick the most appropriate one, like personal use or business use. Now, pick your Gmail username. Try something unique. If the name you choose is already taken, try a variation or add a number. Next, create a strong password using a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using common or simple words. Don't want to think too hard? Just search Temp Password Generator on Google. Click a trusted site like LastPass Password Generator. Customize your password length and characters. Once you're happy, click Copy Password, then paste it back into the form. Now enter your phone number so Google can verify that you're not a robot. Click Next to receive the SMS code. You'll receive a 6-digit code. Type it in to verify your number and continue. Next, take a moment to review your account details. Your Gmail will now be active and you can use it to sign in. Choose your privacy and personalization settings. You can let Google auto-apply all defaults or go step by step and adjust each one. When you're ready, click Confirm. Go through Google's terms of service and privacy policies. Once you've reviewed it, scroll down and click I agree, and that's it. You've successfully created your Google account.